What's good, everybody? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Back once again with 2 new hat unboxings. We got one coming from Newera.com and one special unboxing coming from my guy. If you haven't checked him out, you've seen me shout him out before. I comment on his videos, he's commented on mine. I've dropped in on his videos. My guy Trenz Unltd. Everything pretty much Atlanta sports, Atlanta Braves sports, anything Atlanta minor league teams. You know of it, he's pretty much got it. He found something over out where he is on his side of town in the ATL and hit me up. We do talk from time to time, actually chop it up on the phone. He hit me up, said he's seen something out there in my size that I might like. It was on, well, I don't have anything from that minor league team. It is a minor league team, just to give y'all a heads up. And that's something we wouldn't find out here in my area. It's only pretty much probably his specific or his general area. But long story short, he found it and he said he's gonna pick it up for me, ship it out to me. Definitely wanted to thank him for that. So we're gonna get into that pickup that he was able to send out to me. So we're gonna get into it, man. Without further ado, man, Newera.com pickup, unboxing from Trenz Unltd. You here with Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Let's get into it, man. Let's go. Like I said, we are back. We're gonna get right into it. First one we got here, keep it simple. Got the Newera. One thing I love about ordering from Newera, when I do order from them, man, they stuff come in like the sturdiest boxes, man. These things are like almost built with like 5 times the sturdy holes of Liz boxes. One thing I definitely like about them, they care about shipping their products. So I don't even know which one would be the bottom or the top, because I hate cutting from the top. Be careful with that, just in case you slice your hat. So I'm just gonna assume this is the bottom, because this is the bottom of the box. So we're gonna just cut from there, get right into it. Like that, wrapped in the plastic. You already know, got your Newera card or your card with the receipt return label if something's wrong. But minus all that, we gonna, actually I do need it because I forgot the name of this actual hat. I always want to make sure I get it right. Actually, they don't have the description on here, but it was a good looking hat and I had to have it, enough said. So without further ado, let's get into it. Man, can't even really open it. All right. All right, we got your, I don't know, that's crazy the way they call it. But anyway, we're going to get into it. It's your Cleveland Indians, crazy patch, going crazy like thingy. And actually, like I said, if you understand the bottom, they got, just because of the way the hat is and this stripe in the middle, they have the size 8 patching down here, on here. And like I said, there's the name of the description of the hat. I really don't know what that is. It says Econ Q1 Cleveland Indian. Like I said, I don't know. I'm gonna have to actually go into it and check that out. But this hat is crazy. It's like a mix of hat materials with different hat colors. And this here is actually like a mesh material. I'm getting close there. You can see like the little dots in there, maybe if you can see that. And then it's also the same here with the linings. Like this mesh here goes down into the lining. So this is something definitely I never had before, but I definitely had to have it. It's a crazy design. And the first one that I was actually able to grab like this in this design. There were like a couple of other ones that I wanted, but on the website, this is the only one they actually had in a size 8. So I went ahead and grabbed it because I do like the Block C logo lettering for the Cleveland Indians. So I definitely jumped on it. Here's what your underend looks like. Like I said, they put the size 8 tag down here because it wasn't able to go here, because this is kind of like bumped up on the bill because it's like a mesh material. If you can see from the side, it's kind of like actually raised up on the bill. And here's your underend. Of course, your general says, you know, you got your size 8, you know what I mean? You got your general, you got your MLB logo on the back. But yeah, this one, actually one of the more better hat pickups that I've had as far as design wise. definitely kind of catchy. There's another one kind of on this level that I want to grab. It's a premium fitted hat. It's all blacked out, and I think it has like a suede material on there. Haven't seen a lot of people as far as reviewing them or actually picking one up, but I'm definitely going to pick one up. Just deciding what team I want, because I think they only have 3 teams in my size. So I just usually, when it's like that, I just decide what logo looks the best and it's going to look the best when I wear it. So, but that's what we have. We have your Cleveland Indians. I'm gonna get this name for you guys and figure this out. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. Actually, it's kind of bothering me. It's like really on my mind right now. I'm gonna figure it out. Stay tuned. I'm gonna figure it out. But we're gonna move on to the next one. And like I said, this next one is coming in from my guy over at Trenz Unltd. His link is going to be down below in the video, so you can definitely click on it to get to his page. Like I said, he does a lot of course, he does a lot of hat unboxing. He's into kickz, like I'm into kickz also. He also has his merch that he sells on his channel. That's one of his links down below on his channel that you can actually click on. Very cool guy. Chopped it up with him, man, for like literally hours on the phone. Like I said, real cool guy. So definitely gonna get into this right now. Real quick, like. Oh, just a minute. Like I said, cut all my boxes from the bottom. Don't want to cut anything or mess anything up. Oh, that's cool. Actually, very cool. And actually, if you don't know, he does a lot of music. He produced a lot of music for the Outlaw back in the days when Tupac was still there. A lot of cats on death row, which is real cool. And we chopped it over because if anybody knows, of course, I'm in Cali and I'm born and raised in South Central LA, so I pretty much know everything death row. I actually had a family member that's actually from the Outlaws, Whack Deuce, who used to rap with the Outlaws. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. He put a CD in there and actually signed it for me. I thought that was pretty dope. So it definitely will give some run in the whip, you know, to check it out. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a nice little West Coast beat to it. But definitely said to Shawn.Stay.Fitted, the ATL Don 2019. It's my guy right there. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that. That's definitely gonna get some beat in the whip. Fitted in the bag. So we're gonna definitely get right into that. Oh, that's clean. Actually way clean. Cause I actually seen it when he shot me a picture of it before he actually sent it off too. But oh, that's crazy. Anything with a tomahawk on it, man, I love it. So, and he actually knows that. So I want to say this right. He gave me a little rundown on them. I think this is when they were called the Gwinnett Braves, but I think now they're the Gwinnett Stripers, I believe. I'm pretty sure he's gonna hop down below, give me the rundown on that just in case I messed that up. But he knows how I feel, man. Any kind of fitteds, man, they got some tomahawk on them. I'm a big tomahawk fan when it comes to the Braves. And even the Chicago Blackhawks, they use the tomahawk a lot in their logo. So you got that. You got your Newera on the side, of course. You got your minor league logo on the back. And like I said, man, kind of like I said when I like the block lettering on the other fitted, the Cleveland Indians, you see you got the block letter G on there with the tomahawk going through it. Got your red button on top. You get a look in the under end, of course, you see. Got your minor league, got your size 8, got your Newera tag. And of course, like I wear my hats, man, got that size 8 gold label on the front. So yeah, I definitely want to let him know that was pretty dope for him to find this and get this off to me. Because like I said, I never would have been able to find this out in my area. So I definitely appreciate you, bro. Good looking out on this one. I definitely owe you one, something out of my area, you know what I'm saying? Get you some Cali love out here. So those are the pickups for the day, though. Without getting too long-winded, got your Cleveland Indians mix and matchup that I'm gonna call for right now. Got your Gwinnett Braves right here pickup. Shout out to my boy. Like I said, everything him is gonna be on the link down below. So you definitely give his channel a holler, man. He definitely has good content. He does some videos actually at his local lid store. So it's pretty dope, man. I can't even get in my lid store and do a video, you know what I'm saying? Because I mean, well, for one, it's super crowded in there. And two, when I talk to the owner, and I'm actually cool with, not the owner, but the manager there, he said he might get in trouble a little bit, but he actually said he's gonna try to work with me to see if he can get me in there like in the early morning to do a video from there. Because I thought that would be pretty dope to actually get a video in my local lids. Another idea from my guy. So hopefully that works out. But again, Cleveland Indians, Gwinnett Braves, Appreciate y'all stopping through, man. Those are the pickups for the day. Let me know what you think down below, especially if you know the name of this one, the official name of this one, because it's a crazy cool hat, you know what I'm saying? It got a good look on it, but I just forgot the name of it, actually, because it's been so long, because I've had this one sitting for literally about 2 weeks, so I'll be busy, man. What I'm gonna say though. But this your boy, man, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Stay tuned to the next one. I actually got something pretty cool. I'm thinking I might be able to cash in and pick up one of my grails. Somebody actually hit me up, and if you know, there's a couple of grail fitteds that I, you know, not too crazy out there, but there's 2 on the target that I'm actually trying to pick up right now. Don't want to let them out the bag, but if everything goes well, it should be here by week's end. So definitely stay tuned for that. You definitely don't want to miss out on that one, because this one was a hot one, I will admit. So again, I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. Let me know what you think down below with the video, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Hopefully it'll be picking up my grail and reviewing that one. So man, stay tuned, man. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna holler at y'all.